In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Fortnite on Samsung Chromebook. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and play Fortnite on any Samsung Chromebook model. This is also going to work for other Chromebooks that aren't produced by Samsung. Regardless of which Chromebook you are using, you will be able to play Fortnite. So for this process, we need to use a cloud gaming service. As you might be aware, Fortnite is not available natively for Chromebooks, so if you try to visit the official website and click download, sadly this isn't going to work. So what you have to do is choose one out of 3 popular gaming services. You have Xbox Cloud Gaming, which is the one that I'm going to be showcasing in this video. You have GeForce Now, and finally Amazon Luna. Fortnite is available through all of them, so you can clearly see it here. It's available for GeForce Now as well, and Xbox Cloud Gaming. And all of these will work on your Chromebook because you won't have to download the game. You will need to have good internet, so a strong internet connection, but besides that, you don't need anything else. So choose whichever one you prefer. GeForce Now and Amazon Luna might need a subscription, but you can play on Xbox Cloud Gaming for free, so this is why I recommend it. Go to xbox.com/play. Once you arrive at this website, sign in with a Microsoft account. This is mandatory. Scroll down and you will see Fortnite available here. Once you choose Fortnite, you will be able to click play and enjoy. Now, there's going to be a limit of 1 hour per session, and you will have to go through the queue because it's essentially a shared queue across multiple people. After you are done with the wait time, which during the time that I'm recording this video is going to be 45 minutes, you will be allowed in and you can play directly on your Chromebook. If you join the Game Pass Ultimate subscription, this will be much faster and you will have more time to play once you get in. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Fortnite on Samsung Chromebook. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.